Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around and a startup video for you on a 1963 split window Corvette. What a beautiful car, beautiful restoration. It is powered by the numbers matching 327 300 horse engine, mated to the 4-speed manual transmission. This is a factory red car, factory black interior. I have a lot of paperwork, a lot of documentation on this car from when it was bought, from when it was restored. Just an all-around beautiful 63 split window. It's got the factory hubcaps on it. It's got the wide white walls on it. The chrome stainless trim, bright work on the car is all very nice. I'll show you underneath the hood and the interior here in a second. Just take a good look at the outside of this car. What a beautiful ride. Beautiful black interior. Jams are very nice. Crystal clear dash, power windows. Headliner, dome light, visors, everything's really nice. Doors open and shut, very nice as well. This is the first split window I've ever owned. I've always wanted one, I've always wanted to buy one, and finally I got my chance to buy one, so I took that chance to get it, and I'm sure glad I did. What a gorgeous ride. 53,253 miles. I believe those miles are actual on the car. Open up the hood. Very nice underneath the hood. So it is a power steering car. All the suspension's been reworked when the car was restored. I will put it up on the hoist after a bit here for you so you can see the undercarriage of the car as well. Start it up, turn the lights on. Not much better than a 63 red split window. Dash lights work, dome lights work, left turn signal, right turn signal. All the gauges work. I think the clock is not working. the switch long enough to turn on that other light. I know they both work. I know they both did work because I had them on just a couple days ago. I'll monkey with them. But yeah, I know they both work like they're supposed to, but what do you know? First time I go to take the video, then the one don't want to come up all the way. As soon as I shut this video off, then they'll work perfect. Kind of how it goes. Gorgeous Corvette, 63 split window, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, so give us a call on this gorgeous 63 split window, a numbers matching 327 car. Just one gorgeous ride, very, very well restored. Like I say, I'll have it up on the hoist here in a little while, get you some undercarriage pictures of it. $159.9 is our asking price on this beautiful car. Say a numbers matching car is hard to find. Best year, 63. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon. I'll be back at you here in just a little while with another great quality collector car.